Welcome to this 30-hour online course on the Goods and Services Tax Act. You're all aware that on the 1st of July 2017, India embarked on its biggest piece of transformative tax legislation when it rolled out GST across the length and breadth of India. It brought to fruition a 30-year-long journey when India first flirted with GST in the form of the modified value-added tax in the late 80s. We are not the first country to step into what we call GST and what is internationally known as the value-added tax. 160 plus countries in a world that has 192 have already jumped into the bandwagon of VAT. GST is going to be the biggest game changer, and if it is handled with aplomb, it can completely transform the landscape of India's indirect tax legislation. We have assembled with us a star-studded faculty team. Rajendra Kumar, a chartered accountant and a special invitee to OECD. Ganesh Prabhu, another experienced CA who day in and day out works on indirect taxes. Prasanna Krishnan, a chartered accountant whose bread and butter is ICT. We have a lady chartered accountant in Subhashini Ganapati, who also practices on the indirect tax front. And last, but definitely not the least, is Shankar Narayan, a person with years of corporate experience before he chose to be bit by the bug of entrepreneurship, got into CA practice, and practices in the line of indirect taxes. All of our faculty members, as you thus realize, are indirect tax professionals, chartered accountants with hands-on experience. They will bring to you a wealth of wisdom, and we believe that in the course of this 30 hours, you will get to know the intricacies. You will get to know the in and the out of the Goods and Services Tax Act. At the end of each module, you will have a self-assessment that you will carry out. And at the end of your completing all the modules, you will take an assessment, a multiple choice assessment, which on appropriate completion will lead you to a certificate in GST. Good luck and best wishes for a happy learning on India's most important tax law, the Goods and Services Tax Act.